took it really easy. I thought it was difficult. Not give the marks that I had expected. And you wait till you hear my maths marks. You will be disappointed. I am myself.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I thought what might be the best video other than revealing my grade 10 result so that I can lead you fellow 10th graders and the 11th graders a little bit insight about me, and I can tell the 10th graders about all the experiences, what you should do and what you should not do. Get started. So I have my laptop right here. My result is here. It's a month past though, so I don't have the CBSE website wali photo, in which the result is in blue. This is the PDF that I got, but still I'm going to be telling you guys my result because I want you guys to know a little bit about me, and I think that this is the best place to start. Okay, so we are gonna start from the best to the worst. No, we're gonna go serial wise. Okay, so first of all, in English I got, drum roll please, 90 on 100. To be honest, this is a little disappointing for me because English has always been my top subject and I always scored like 90 in my pre-boards and I got 90 in my boards. This is something sad for me even, but I did not want to make too much of it because I've heard that English paper checkings are quite strict over there in boards, so I thought it might be okay, but I would have really loved 2, 3, 4 marks more, but it's okay. Next up we have Hindi. So in Hindi I had course B, which has the book Sanchayan and Sparsh, I think ye hai. But yeah, actually a funny thing, my Hindi was never good. I was actually, when I thought of the result coming, I was like, I'm gonna replace my Hindi marks with my maths marks because I felt more confident in my mathematics paper than my Hindi paper, because I can't even explain. I did the entire unseen passage in the last 10 minutes and I don't know what I wrote, but I was shocked to see how much I scored because I was literally expecting marks in 70s, but the marks that I got is like way over the top. So in Hindi I scored 89 on 100, which is a very big accomplishment for me because I never thought I would score this much, especially in Hindi. I mean, Hindi literally saved me, otherwise I would not be here. After Hindi I have maths. So I had standard maths all year long. I never wanted to shift to basic mathematics because I don't know, I felt like standard was not that difficult to do. My maths marks are a bit disappointing. I never expected this. I was expecting marks in 80s, to be honest. 80 to 85 I was expecting. The best case of my math marks was 86, but I did not. Maths was a real big shocker for me because I know my 10 MCQs went wrong. My 2 5 markers were like, I don't know what happened in them. 1 3 marker. My maths paper was a disaster to say the least, but I was not expecting this much of a cut. So in order to reveal this, I need you all to think that I'm a very, very, very bad student in mathematics. So please don't judge my maths marks because I believe everybody has scored bad in maths. Majority of students. So maths, I scored 73 in my maths board exam on 100, which is not bad but also not good. I mean, given the difficulty of the paper, this result is okay, but as per my preparation I know that I could have done better, so I have no words for maths marks. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm not studying maths anymore, you guys. After mathematics we have my science. And funny story, when I got back home I calculated my science marks, and the science marks that I obtained over here are the exact same as the marks I had thought. I was like, in worst case scenario I'm gonna get this, and the best case scenario I'm gonna get that, and I got the marks that I thought in my worst case scenario. So I got 87 on 100 in my science board exam, which is disappointing for me because I know I could have scored 90 plus easily. I did 2 MCQs wrong upright. I solved it correctly, but I marked the wrong option. I did one question. I still remember it was about cathode and anode. We had to identify, or no, we had to write which product was the cathode and anode, and I knew it, but I still did it wrong. This was the first paper I had seen, which was so different from the papers of the past years. So my marks is somewhat like that only. Next we have social science. This was my second favorite subject all of 10th. My first favorite subject was English always, but English disappointed me, and so does social science. I got 90 on 100 in social science, which is a disappointment because I was, again, what happened in English, I was getting 90 in my pre-boards and I got 90 in my boards, which is something very bad because these two subjects were these were my superpowers and I got 90s in them. I was literally expecting 95 in social science, but I didn't. Guys, these were my main 5 subjects, but I also had an additional subject was IT, and my IT score really shocked me because I literally loved my paper, but I remembered a trick my teacher had told me and I literally used it and I got 99 in IT out of 100, which is something very big. I literally studied IT for 5 days, 1 hour every day, and I got this score when I did not think I would get this score, and I'm so happy. IT, my freaking result. I'm gonna tell you guys, these 2 subjects are your favorite subjects. English can take your score down a bit, but Hindi and even if you have Sanskrit, these subjects can literally take your score to an upper level. Science is difficult, I understand, but you don't know what difficult is. 10th science is very easy. Science in 11th is another thing. So 10th, now that I am in 11th, I feel like I should have prepared more in my 10th grade because now I'm seeing that 10th was so easy and I did not put enough effort into it, and by putting just इतना सा effort डाल के इतने अच्छे marks आ सकते हैं, तो काश मैं और कर लेता. I could have been. If you guys want a guide or how to tackle subjects, I will give it to you if you guys want, or even if you don't want, I will still put a video out. You guys, I forgot to tell you my percentage, but I scored 91% in my grade 10. Videos about my 11th too. So if you guys are into that stuff, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so that you know when I post, because my posting time is not decided yet. And I try to put shorts every now and then. So yeah, bye.